Hello, my name is Marian and you're watching I Fucking Love Technology. Today we are going to continue setting up Ubuntu server local web development environment on Windows 8 with VirtualBox. Let's start by downloading the latest version of VirtualBox. Open your browser and navigate to www.virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads with capital D. Then click on the download link and save the file. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded file and run the installer. Click next, choose yes, install, and click finish, and we have our Oracle VirtualBox installed. Now we must download Ubuntu 14. Open your browser and navigate to www.ubuntu.com/downloads/server. Click the download link and save the file. Once the download is finished, let's go back to our Oracle VirtualBox and create a new virtual machine. Click on the new button. Now type in the name of your virtual machine. I'll do Ubuntu Server 14. Then click next. Now for memory size, it really depends on how much juice you have. In a normal case, I would go for more or less than a quarter of your total memory of your host machine. So if this would be my local VirtualBox, I'd type in 4096. Since I currently have 16 gigs of memory. But for the purpose of this video, 512 megabytes will be more than enough. Click next and leave the default create virtual hard drive now selected, press create, leave the default VirtualBox disk image selected and click next. And here, if you're running on SSDs, there is not so much difference between those choices. If you're still running on old spinning disk drives, then go for fixed size. Click next, and if you want to have a specific path where your virtual machine will be saved, now is the time to do it. Click on the browse icon and find your path. I'll use my path and press save twice and then click create. Now that we have our virtual machine created, let's configure some settings. Click the settings button, then click on storage tab, then click on the empty CD drive, then click on the little CD drive icon on the right side, choose a virtual, then go to the place you've saved Ubuntu 14 server ISO file and double click it, then click on the network tab, click on advanced, and then click on port forwarding. Now let's think about what we need to forward from the host machine to the virtual machine. In an usual case, we need the web server, SSH, and MySQL. Let's click the plus button 3 times and set those up. Since we'll cover later on Apache Solr and Elasticsearch, let's click the plus button 2 more times and set those up. Click OK, then click the shared folder, then click the plus folder on the right side and choose your folder path. I'll type in check the auto mount box and click OK. Then OK again, and we can start our virtual machine. To start our virtual machine, press the start button, choose English and install Ubuntu server. I'll choose English, United Kingdom. I'll choose no, English, United Kingdom. Again, English, United Kingdom. I'll leave the host name as Ubuntu. My full name is Marian Burlia. Hit enter. I'll leave Marian as my username. I'll type in a password and retype it. Now it asks me if I want to use this weak password and I'll choose yes. Then I'll choose no to not encrypt my home directory and I'll choose yes, Europe London. Now select the guided use entire disk and press enter, and then select write the changes to disks, yes. I'll leave the HTTP proxy as empty. I'll leave no automatic updates selected and press enter. Now check OpenSSH server and LAMP server. Now type in your MySQL root password and choose yes to install the group bootloader and then choose continue, and now the VirtualBox will restart and your Ubuntu server is ready to run. Before you go, check the description below as I'll update it to reflect the current progress. Don't forget to subscribe by pressing the big red button. Now like the video if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Please leave your comments below and spread the word by pressing those social sharing buttons below so others can benefit from this. Thank you and see you next time.